because these are literally January's beets. And I don't know, they've never really did anything. I think I just really messed up on my watering early on. And that's why I have a lot of struggling plants that like seem to have like a really good start. But look, I don't know if you can see that. Look, that's a beet. Should we pull it? Should we pull it? Let's pull it. It's gonna be really bad camera work because I'm doing this one-handed. Oh my God. Wait. Wait, you guys. This is actually like a beet. I'm holding it in my hand. It's a very decent size. I'd be buying this at the store. No freaking way. I literally thought nothing was happening. All right, well, now I want to look at the rest of them. I don't know why my camera keeps zooming. Okay. Because I'm afraid if I keep leaving them in, they're just going to get really woody or bitter or both, because they should have produced by now, right? I think you all agree. All right, hold on. I'll be back. Let me go set my camera up. Okay, I am back. I'm back. Okay, we're going to just pull all these up together. Let's just do it. Let's be done with it. January is plenty of time. Oh. Should have done like a TikTok live. Doesn't look like there's anything on this one. I think I keep lowering my expectations so that I'm surprised if I get anything at all. Excuse me. We're literally crushing it. We're literally crushing it. We actually have a beet freaking harvest, you guys. This is crazy. Oh my God. No. No, you guys. This is crazy to me. No, it's big and everything. Okay, this is like, I feel like I'm doing an unpackaging. Is that what it's called? Like an unboxing of my beet harvest. Okay, this one, edible. Look, smaller than the others, but perfect as all get out. We'll see if it's woody or delicious. This is so fun, right? I'm loving this. We're on a journey together, folks. Oh, we got a dud. We got a dud. That's okay. I'm still gonna cook it, see what happens. It's about the size of a walnut. Can't win them all. That's what the saying is. That's how the saying goes. Okay. Small. Not that small though. It's like the size of a golf ball. Slightly bigger than a golf ball. This one's shoved against the side. Another one, oh, it's split. That's probably a bad sign. That means something very inconsistent happened, or actually it was shoved up against the side. It could be that a wrinkle got stuck in there. I couldn't really tell when I pulled it. Honestly, I didn't even check. We'll see though. There's only one way to find out. Oh, only one more. This is so fun. I'm sad it's about to be over. It's a baby. This one got a little overcrowded. See how when it has like a little one next to it, it's like a constant battle of the wills. And I have noticed that if there's a little one and they're kind of crowded together, neither of them thrive. Neither of them. So there's a garden lesson for you. But this is about the size of like a jack ball. You know when you play jacks? Yeah, if you're Gen X, you know what I'm talking about? It's like that. It's like one of those little tiny rubber balls that you used to play jacks with. That's how big it is. Probably not edible, but I'm gonna cut all of these open. Not this one. This one's like the size of my tip of my thumb, tip of my index finger. Ishy baby. Anyway, that was so fun. Thanks for doing it with me. And I need to just show you how freaking cool this looks. Hold on. Look at that. I feel like such a badass farmer. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, bye.